Hello everyone. I hope you're doing well. My name is Ankur Goswami, a banking professional and coach. Friends, I really welcome you all to this channel, to this platform, Finance Career 24/7. You know, guys, most of the time, number of candidates come to me and they ask, sir, I have done BA, BSc, BCom. So what sort of job I will be getting? What sort of company I can work with? So in this session, I'll give you a clarity on this. So let me tell you, why people do BA or BSc. For a few while, let's skip BCom. All right, because BCom you generally learn about accountings, you learn about lots of different things like economics, statistics, business, lots of things you generally learn in that BCom. But what about BA and BSc? So three main, I would say, the career opportunities. Number one, the people do BA BSc because their objective is to do a PhD. Number two, because they want to do a government job preparation. Number three, they want to crack UPSC. So these three reasons, most of the people do BA or BSc. But again, the fact is, no, I'm not saying everyone is to be a part of UPSC. Everyone will be preparing for government exams. Not sure like all the people will be joining UPSC or PhD, right? So what about others? Those who are not want to be a part of these three pillars or three opportunities, then what next? What option they have? So friends, BA and BSc, you won't be learning anything in these courses. I'm talking about the corporates part. By these two courses, you won't be getting any job. If you will be just on, if you will be totally depend on these two courses, you won't be getting anything. Because to join corporates, to join private sector, you must have a great skills with you. Number one, your communication. You will have a great communication skills with you. Great communication. You know how to communicate with others, how to present yourself, presentable. Your English is very good, or I would say, the local language, or again, English is mandatory, by the way, because most of the jobs, most of the corporates, they required good communication of English language. They want the people who actually are very great, communicator. And apart from that, Excel knowledge, corporate Excel. I won't say advanced Excel. I won't say the basic Excel. I'm saying the corporate Excel. Whatever corporate, whatever job right now available, right guys? So they need the people who know advanced Excel, who know the corporate Excel. So these are the few skills what required to get a job. And yes, that's true. If you will be totally depend on your BA or BSc, you won't be get anything. So you have to work on these skills apart from your BA or BSc. If I'm talking about BCom, guys, yes. So in BCom, as I mentioned, you generally learn lots of things like accounting, you learn business, economics, statistics, lots of things you learn, which actually is getting applied in the corporates. So by those knowledge, you can get a job. But let me clear you one very, very important thing, guys. Any course cannot give you a job. Trust me. Any course cannot give you a job. You get a job by skills, because courses will give you a skills, not a job. Getting my point? So the courses, whatever courses you are doing, whatever courses you are pursuing, by those courses, you will get skills. You will become skilled on a particular thing. And by those skills, you can easily get a job. That's the reality. Lots of people I have noticed, like they do the course, they completed the course, and they started, blaming the company or started blaming the college, universities, or the courses that I have taken admission, but I did not get any job. But my dear friends, most of the time you forget one thing: what skills you have learned while doing the program, what skill you have learned after completing the program. We just forget these things. Right? So guys, this is the time you have to understand the trend, what's going on at the moment. Trends, doesn't matter you have done BA or BSc, doesn't matter, right? First, understand the trend, understand the industry, which industry you have to build a career. which industry you have to go with, because it's totally depends on the opportunities. It doesn't mean like it's not like that. You are choosing a particular industry where no opportunity is available. That does not give you any result. So you have to do your research. You must know how to do a research, about your understanding the industry, which is very, very important. So at the moment, let me tell you guys, if you are preparing yourself for private banks, yes, private banks, banking industry is actually growing industry. Very, very growing industry. After doing BA, BSc, BCom, you have three options, as I mentioned, like PhD. You can do PhD, you can do UPSC, you can do government job preparations. So apart from that, if you want to be a part of corporates, then private banking would be the good option, would be the best option. Because right now, at the moment, you will have two options. You will have two industries where you can build up your career. Number one is IT. And number two is banking industry. So IT, for getting into IT, you must have great expertise. You must have great knowledge in different softwares, different platforms and frameworks like coding. You must know coding. You must know frameworks, Angular, React, lots of things are there, lots of things, right? And apart from IT, the banking industry is actually growing industry. What required to be a part of banking industry? Just two to three things. You must have a good communication skills, you must have a great Excel knowledge, and your English and banking or banking industry knowledge. These are the things required, what you can learn in few span of time. Right? Now question rises, friends. When you can try this. This is a task what I'm giving you at the moment. You can try it, guys. If you will go for any branch, any bank, whatever bank is near to your place, just visit the branch, all right? And with a formal dress, formal attire, with your resume ready in your hand, and just go to the branch and ask them, sir, I'm here for an interview, right? So what they will answer, they will reply you. They will ask two questions. Number one, they will ask you, do you have any experience? Number two, they will ask you, do you have any reference? So that is something where people get stuck. And let me tell you, yes, that's the reason Career 24/7 is in the chapter. Career 24/7 is a platform which actually think about you. Because we are the platform, we have number of opportunities for the people who are actually willing to be a part of corporates or the private banks or private industry. Yes. So few links are there in description box. You can check those links. Career 24/7 has done an agreement with Axis Bank, with Kotak Mahindra Bank, with different banks for different job opportunities. Correct? So here also you can easily get jobs. You can easily be a part of good banks with good profiles, with handsome salaries. Now we have one program like Axis Bank Deputy Manager. Salary is 40,000 to 45,000. All right. However, in this particular profile, experience is required. Just 6 months of experience in any sector, any field. 6 months of experience is required. But 6 months of experience with any non-banking industry as well. You can easily be a part of this. However, more eligibility criteria for becoming deputy manager in Axis Bank, that would be number one, as I said, 6 months of experience with any sector, right? You must have your documents with you, like salary slip is mandatory. Your relieving letter is mandatory. And apart from that, your age between 21 to 28 years. You must be a graduate with minimum 50% of marks from regular college. If you will fulfill these three criteria, then you are eligible for becoming a deputy manager in Axis Bank. However, it will be a 12 months of training. We'll train you guys because you don't know about banking. You don't know about finance. You don't know about deals, right? You don't know about any business in banking industry. So we'll train you for entire 12 months. Which we'll just train you on theoretical part, practical part, and the internship as well. Right? And everything would be, you will be getting a proper salary as well at the time of your time, at the time of your training. And apart from that, if I'm talking about the people who are fresher, right? We also have that opportunity. However, there are some state specific, but we are having opportunity. And the people who actually want to work with as a sales officer with Axis Bank, pan India opening are there. Pan India openings are there. You can easily work with us. So guys, in description box there are 4-5 links available. You can apply accordingly, right? In Axis Bank deputy manager, as I mentioned the eligibility criteria, and for Kotak Mahindra Bank assistant manager, that is specific, state specific, only for Maharashtra, only for Thane location. And for assistant manager Axis Bank, that would be again state specific, only for Punjab and Haryana people. But for Axis Bank sales officer, you are anywhere from India, you are eligible. Right? Again, criteria is very simple. Your age 21, 28. Your graduation must be graduate with with 50%, and you must have a driving license with you. If no driving license, then application number would work. Right, guys? So it's a good opportunity. Again, after completing BA, BCom, BSc, these are the opportunities where you can easily start your career. And apart from that, yes, you can just connect with this platform as well on daily basis. What I do, I just deliver the videos. I deliver some topics where like about the walk-in interviews, where walk-in interviews are happening. I train you for different interviews. I train you. I give you the career guidance sessions as well. So lots of things I give you in the same platform. So guys, connect with me. Connect with this platform. Definitely your career will be at pace. Start your career and start working with a great banking industry. Thank you very much, everyone. I hope you have got my point. And whatever concern you have, you can connect with me. I'm here to help you out, nothing else. All right, guys. And you can connect with me. You can connect with me via LinkedIn. You can send me the connection request. I'll definitely accept it. And then we can have a message on message box. Thank you very much, everyone. Whatever query you have, you can put that query on the comment box. Thanks a lot. Take care, everyone. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. Take care.